Welcome. If you want to get live 3D wallpaper on your Ulefone Note 7P, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type Gyroscope 3D. Let's pick up this application, Mars in HD, click install. Right now we have to wait a little bit. Right now we can open, and as you can see here we get the preview of this wallpaper. So when you move the phone, the wallpaper is going to move also, and of course it's based on the gyroscope in our smartphone. So click here simply to set a wallpaper. We can apply on the above, and when we close this application like that, you can see how it looks right now on the screen. It's really cool. We can also move the screen, and the wallpaper is going to move also. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!